Saison Technology is a data integration company. We help businesses connect and activate their data. Whether it's secure file transfer with Halft, no-code integration with Halft Integrate, or cloud-native solutions with Halft Square, we've built a platform to support generative AI at scale. But it's not just about software. We provide a full ecosystem supporting your team with solution design and implementation to bring your data to life. What does this mean for you? Deploy in as little as 1 month with pre-built templates. Lightweight architecture that simplifies your systems and reduces RAG service needs by 50%. User-friendly UI with natural language prompts, enabling ready-to-go solutions in just 1 day. If you're curious about how this works for your team, we'd love to walk you through real-world examples and show you the possibilities. We'd love to share real-world use cases that directly match your unique business operations and challenges. We bring the strength of a system integrator, enabling us to provide ready-to-use solutions that seamlessly connect data across your entire organization. Whether you're facing limited IT resources or a constrained budget, we're confident in our ability to deliver practical solutions that meet your business goals. To wrap up today's session, we believe that generative AI combined with the right data holds the key to unlocking real business value. To achieve this effectively, a strong foundation is crucial, one that not only addresses governance, but also minimizes hallucinations for more reliable results. When it comes to seamlessly connecting your data with generative AI, we hope you'll consider Saison Technology as your trusted partner.